President Dr. Mohamed Irfan Ali engaged vendors and fisherfolk plying their trade at Meadowbank Wharf in the wee hours of Thursday. The head of state was accompanied by Agriculture Minister Zulfikar Mustafa. Fisherfolk complained about the lack of running water and the need to rehabilitate the wharf. They also requested additional lights so they could safely work in the wee hours. President Ali promptly responded and assured that the working environment will be improved, including installing standpipes.
One of the things that we want to do is we want to make it easier for you.
The Meadowbank Wharf over the years benefited from significant improvement, a commitment made by President Ali in 2022 following a similar visit. Lights and washroom facilities have been provided and are in working condition.